Hello and welcome back to my channel. Learning as I go here. Now put the videos in landscape. Didn't know when you do long videos you got to put it in landscape, so it's in landscape. Also, what we're going to talk about on this video is the elephant in the room, which was the built-in radar detector, which I will explain in detail. I made a short, and it really blew up in a couple of days. A lot of people with a lot of great questions about this radar detector. So let's go over it. All right, so we're going to go over the hidden built-in radar detector / jammer. It's a K40 system, a K40 Platinum. Let's start the car. Of course, red key. Okay, we're going to start the vehicle. I believe I had left it on, and you will hear it when I start it. No, I left it off. So we'll turn it on. Okay, so this system is the K40 Platinum, like I explained before. I have the remote on my sun visor right here. I'm going to take it off and show you all the functions that it does. You can mute it, you can change the volume, you can dim it. You got quiet, city, highway. You can change it to all different options. And let's turn it on. Oh.
K40 scan
There you go.
active.
Now, if you give it a second, this is why I was told there's a jammer. It has an option to put a jammer in and a GPS. It'll say GPS connected out of nowhere. And it has GPS. And it's not as bad. Like, there was a lot of questions. One of them was volume. Can you turn it down? It's annoying. Yes, you can do all of that. Again, volume down, dim the lights that are built in the dash there. You can't really see them when they're off, but when they're on, you can dim them. And like people said, oh, well, if you're in different states, you can get, I just turn it off and then put the remote away. That's it. It shuts on and off. It's not a permanent thing. The volume, you can put it down, listen to the radio, watch the flashing lights. You don't need the sound. A lot of very good questions. A lot. I did. I read a lot of the questions in that short. Let me turn that down. A lot of the questions in the short were very good. Of course, there was a couple of wise guy comments, but I laugh at that. I actually enjoy that. That's funny stuff. But I'll show you how it works. Let's. I was waiting for it to say GPS connected, but it didn't do it. Maybe because I'm in the garage. Give me a second. Okay, I'm now outdoors. Let's try this again. I turned it off. I'll turn it back on.
K40 scan active.
And you'll hear it say GPS connected. It's a very cloudy day, so who knows. But I will take it for a ride, and I'll show you. Another question was, does it annoy you with the stupid store alarms or this, that, and the other? Yes, but that's when you change it for city and highway. Like if I'm in the city, I'll hit the city. If I hit highway, I hit the highway. And it's less of that annoying, going off or false alarms. Has it saved me? Yeah, oh yeah. And that's the other thing. In the short video that I made, people are saying, oh my God, by the time you see it, you're already... I shortened that video. Do you know?
GPS connected.
There you go. See, GPS connected. Now, why I shortened the video was because I don't want you to sit there for a minute and a half listening to beep, 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 beep before you've seen the cop. I know I'm tired of watching YouTube videos that are like an hour long just to get to the scene you want to see. That's just me. So no, that thing was going off way before we even seen the cop. It picked it up right away, at least I don't even know, maybe a minute beforehand, or half a minute beforehand, who knows, before you seen lights, before you seen the cop, it was letting me know that up ahead somebody's using a radar. So we'll clear the air on that. let's take this for a ride. I'll put it on, and go down where there's a lot of shops, and you'll see it will go off. It does have false alarms when left on the highway. So let's give that a shot. All right, we're coming up to a known corner where this chirps off when I get to the stores. And see that? Oh my God. Oh, I'm 1 mile an hour over the speed limit for all those that watch the short and were commenting, look, you were 5 over, bro. Like, no, I wasn't. Where you saw the way Florida sets up is they're very tricky. I was in a 55 mile an hour zone, then it jumps down immediately to 45, and then 30, then 20 when you're coming into the towns. Anybody from Florida will let you know this. It's just how it is. You'll be you see, here, perfect example. Now I got to go down to 35, okay? It's just money grab stuff, I believe. I don't know, whatever. I do obey the speed limit. Anyway, we're coming up to a spot. This should go off. Usually once in a while it'll beep because of the stores, the Walmart. I mean, not the Walmart, the Wawa and the Aldi's. The sliding doors do set it off. Or the alarm systems in there will set it off once in a while. Maybe I have it set on city. I don't know. But you'll see. It should go off right about now.
Front K-band.
There you go. All right. And if it gets annoying, right, and it only do it real quick to let you know, it's not a cop, it's a store. So it went on and it went off, and the store is right there. So I'm still next to it. It's not tripping, so it's a quick false alarm, like beep, beep, and it's gone. It doesn't constantly stay on with the false alarms. It's actually a pretty good system. I didn't install this. The previous owner did. All right, stay tuned. I'll show you a little bit more when I make this turn. Okay, so now I'm driving past the 7-Eleven. I'm driving past the Wendy's, and it's not going off, right? Because it's in city mode. And usually these places, the alarms and stuff like that, will set it off. And, all right. So as you can see, it's pretty quiet. Doesn't beep all the time. Does it? All right, so I just heard thunder and seen a couple of raindrops, so we came back to the garage. I have 4 drag radials on here. It's not really fun. I got 10 new texts. I got to read my text messages. All right, so anyway, on to the alarm again, the radar detector. When you're done with it, you just...
Off.
That's it. It says off. The speakers are hidden. Don't know where the speaker is. I'll show you around the car. You can't see the sensors. And this is the system right here. And it goes for $19.99 is what I see the average for. That's it. Let's look around the car, see if we can spot the things. And as you saw, this is a 360 system around the car. So here's the front. There's no sensors anywhere. No boxes. Nothing like that sticking out. There's nothing on the sides of the car. Right? And there's nothing on the back that you can see. Nothing. So, again, the previous owner installed this, not I. And like I said, I got this car about 2 years ago. That system did help me. And that's that. Now, stay tuned if you want. I have more information. Like I said, you want to learn what it's like to drive a Demon? I'm going to tell you, because I'm driving the car. Like I said in my last video, I'll put 100,000 miles on this thing. I've been driving it. I take it everywhere, except for when it rains. Like I said, started to rain there. I got 4 drag radials. Not fun. Anybody that drives these knows drag radials suck in the rain. We have lots to go over. Like I said, information, the info center thing, I guess we'll do another video on that. I had problems with that. Most Demon owners and Hellcat owners, if you haven't, it's going to happen. And I'll explain that in a future video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Stay tuned. I got a lot more. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.